back to another Tomato Head Gaming Buddy, and today we're playing this cat game. It's called Battle Cats. Language setting won't be changed after. Yes, I am. Sure, why not? Whoa! Guys, if I get 5 more subscribers, I will put my profile in one of these cats. And whoever the top comment is, I'm gonna search it up what cat you mean, and I'm gonna put it as my profile for the whole week. Until the weekend. I know, until Saturday or Sunday. That would be like one level. I'm not too much into the battle begins, and it's a more secure campfire place. I want to summon as much as I can. So when yeah, I know. To talk about because I'm just putting it in. Sometimes I want to read the game stuff. But if told, have you guys seen the cat sizes? Like, I know the game developer looking at the battle cats, but they just made them too cute. Like any cat they use, any upgrade they use, it's so cute. Look at that counter level 6, 24, 6. exploded. It's only made of pillows. I'm gonna waste all my time out and in video just to try to get it. So nah. Why China? Not that they're bad, but you know how mine is just normal base? Them, it looks like a long thing, even though it just gets. Wait, how do I explain this? No offense. I'm not trying to say, oh no, why China? Because why can't it be anything? No, not that. No, I mean like China. Look at it. It's not bad. I like it, but my camera doesn't go like back. It doesn't go wide. It doesn't go width. It doesn't go like that. So please don't blame me. No offense, but with my Canon, my Canon, that's a lot. And I'm on fire. Not like I wasted. I'm having such a absolutely violating me. Menacingly. There's a new cat ready to be upgraded. Sure, I can keep upgrading. When I keep upgrading, I can get more and more and more. That requires good one. More and more, so it'll be easier to get the cat guy. It doesn't show a face for some reason. I want to know how it attacks. Okay, guys, this will be our last battle. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment for more, and I will see you in my next video. I'm not saying bye because I'm not ending it. I said this is our last battle. I'm not ending it. The same. People will always say that. Hey, why won't y'all team up? difference. What kind of things I can buy? But I'll try to find out. Energy is always the answer. So guys, I'm going to be ending my video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for part 2. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!